I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal on your Peacock TV subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Peacock account. Before changing your settings, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Manage subscription. In account settings, look for the section labeled subscription or billing. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Turn off auto renewal. Find the option for auto renewal and toggle it off. This will prevent your subscription from renewing automatically at the end of the billing cycle. Step 5. Confirm changes. After turning off auto renewal, you may receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation to ensure the changes were successful. Remember, if you don't see the auto renewal option, it might be because you subscribed through a third-party service like Amazon or Apple. In that case, you'll need to manage your subscription through that platform. Good luck and enjoy your viewing.